development in the ongoing tussle between the Supreme Court Collegium and the central government, the Supreme Court of India today expressed anguish over the delay by the centre in clearing the names recommended by the Supreme Court Collegium for appointment as judges in the higher judiciary, saying that it effectively frustrates the method of appointment. Justice Sanjay Kishan Kaul, heading a division bench also comprising Justice AS Oka, went on to wonder if the recommendations are being withheld on account of the government's discontent with the non-implementation of the National Judicial Appointments Commission, that is the NJAC system of appointing judges in the higher judiciary. For those of you who are unaware, the Supreme Court in its 2015 verdict had struck down the NJAC Act and the Constitution 99 Amendment Act of 2014, leading to the revival of the Collegium system of existing judges appointing judges to constitutional courts. Justice Kaul during the hearing remarked, and I quote here, "The issue is names are not being cleared. How does the system work? We have expressed our anguish. It appears that the government is not happy that the NJAC has not passed the muster. Can that be the reason to not clear the names?" The remarks come soon after Law Minister Kiran Rijiju criticized the Collegium system at the Times Now summit recently, where he said that the Collegium system is alien to the Constitution of India and isn't backed by the people of the country, and that the government can't be expected to merely approve the names recommended by the Supreme Court Collegium. Importantly, during the hearing today, Justice Kaul, without mincing any words, underscored that people may have reservations about the law, that is the Collegium system, but till it stands, it is the law of the land. During the hearing today, Senior Advocate Vikas Singh, who is the President of the Supreme Court Bar Association, brought to the attention of the bench the scathing comments made by the Law Minister, and I quote the Law Minister's comments here, "Never say that the government is sitting on the files, then don't send the files to the government. You appoint yourself, you run the show then." Expressing disapproval of the minister's comment, Justice Kaul today said while addressing the Attorney General for India, R. Venkataramani, and I quote, "When someone high enough says that, it should not have happened. Mr. AG, I have ignored all press reports, but this has come from somebody high enough also. With an interview, I am not saying anything else." Highlighting that the law as it stands today must be adhered to by the central government, Justice Kaul remarked further, and I quote, "The whole process takes time. Intelligence Bureau inputs are taken, your inputs are taken, Supreme Court Collegium considers your inputs and sends the name. Once it is reiterated, that is the end of the matter as the law stands now." Justice Kaul therefore asked the Attorney General as well as the Solicitor General to convey the sentiments of the bench to the government and ensure that the law of the land is strictly followed. The bench today was considering a contempt petition filed by the Advocates Association of Bangalore in 2021 against the centre not approving 11 names reiterated by the Supreme Court Collegium. The matter has been kept for further hearing on December 8th. For more information on what transpired in the courtroom today, you can refer to our detailed reports, the link to which has been given in the description box below. Thank you. I'm Aratrika Bhomik for Live Law. Keep watching Live Law for more such updates.